to a playthrough of Guild Wars 2, a very popular MMORPG game that has pretty much everyone up on edge. Now, as you can see, this is not your typical MMORPG. For instance, we've got cat/bull folk called Char, and you got your standard human race, the Norn race, who are a crossbreed between Vikings and Spartans kind of thing, as in they fight for honor and glory, and then they worship spirits of the wild. And you have your Asuran, who are like cat, like dwarves. And then your Sylvari, tree folk. As you can see, Sylvari are not born. They awaken beneath a pale tree with knowledge gleaned from their pre-life dream. They are like plant folk with humanoid bodies. So, today, what we're going to be doing is... Well, let me turn the volume up for you so you guys can hear this. There we go. Now, what we're going to be doing today, here, I am going to show you how to create a character and give you guys the basic prologue / beginning playthrough of this game. Hopefully we'll be able to do some more episodes as we go along. Now for this particular character, I will be using standard human male. Here you have different professions or classes. You've got your warrior, your standard fighter, your guardian is kind of like a spell warrior who is almost like a cleric. If you play Dungeons and Dragons, the guardian is like a cleric / paladin kind of mix. They use healing abilities as well as fight a lot. And you got your ranger. As you can see, rangers are proficient with the bow. You have your thief. I've got a thief in this game, and I would say I am not really that impressed with it. I still play it because of a certain elite specialization class that will later come on, and I will tell you guys about that as we go along in the game. And you have an engineer who uses guns and only one melee weapon, I believe, if I remember correctly, it's the hammer. Your necromancer is wielder of the dark arts. You have your elementalist, which is like a sorcerer, and it wields or controls the elements of the world, such as you can see at the bottom screen right here, air, fire, earth, and water. Then you have your mesmer, who uses mind manipulation. Very hard to play if you don't know what you're doing in these games. One of their newest classes is the Revenant, who is kind of like a guardian, in which this guy uses spells and melee combat to assault his enemies. But this guy is not really that great of a healer. He uses his spells to pretty much deteriorate his enemies. And so for today, I will be making a human guardian. Pardon me. I feel like I'm coming down with a cold or something. Okay, now. As you can see, your first option is to select your body features. So, we will shorten him down just a little bit, you will be able to choose his physique. Which one is he on? Okay. What's the difference? I'm not seeing anything different here. That's one thing about this game. Some of their physiques look different on the portraits, but on this guy, it doesn't look different at all. That's annoying. The only thing that's different is this.
I'm so beefy.
So, well, for this, we'll be using this physique. A skin color, let me see here. Mid 1, pale 3, a little bit too pale, light 6. And we'll stick with light 6. Now, go to head options. You'll be able to choose what your facial features will look like. For this guy, yep, give him a serious expression. Now for his hair, let me see here. What have we got? What have you got for me, game? Come on, give me something good. What's this? I like that. Now for his hair, platinum, echo, silver. I like silver. Skin color, hair color, accessory color. I don't know the accessories. Okay, facial hair. Let's give this guy some stubble. Yep. Just give him a bit of a goatee. Nothing much. Ah, there's the eye color. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Nice blue. Yep. Clear blue for his eyes. Nose. Honestly, I think he looks fine overall. Oh, yes. Also, I forgot to mention, as you see, he suddenly got shoulder guards or pauldrons. Is automatic weapon, or not weapon, armor upgrade. Most of these characters will have a sort of armor upgrade, mostly for headpiece or shoulder piece. So, and I really don't think we need to do anything about his armor die. Maybe. What's Winter Sky? It's the same thing. Stone. Fresh stone. Magic. Chainmail. Okay. Let's see here. Winter Sky. What do we want? Okay, a deeper blue. I will take that. Now go lower. Pale. Darker chain blue. Stone, I'll take that. And fix that. What is the, oh, that's just the, okay, now for the pauldrons. That's something new. I did not see that. Wait, is this? Oh! Oh, okay. I understand what you're saying. Okay. That's like dark. Okay. So, this is our guardian. So now we get to build his background. So your first bit of background is what you will accept as a upgrade for your armor. For the Guardian, as a symbol of my dedication, I wear blank. You have three options. You have the Conqueror's Pauldrons, the Fanatic's Pauldrons, or a Visionary's Helm. So many choices. Let's see. For Visionary's Helm, the description is, Tyria is bigger than we know and filled with mystery. This helm is open, allowing me to see with clarity. With it, I seek out the world's greater truths that others fear to explore. What about the Pauldrons? Long ago I determined my path, and nothing will sway me from it. I'm stalwart in my beliefs and immovable in my loyalties. The weight of my Pauldrons reminds me of the burden I carry. I think I'll go with the helm, thank you. Trouble may follow me, but I use my blank to overcome it. Charm, dignity, or ferocity. Well, as I am the alpha wolf, as you all may well very know, I will go with ferocity. Because I am ferocious, and I get the job done. Alright, now you get to choose how you were raised. You were either raised in the streets, by common folk, or among the nobility. I'm a wolf that's alpha. I will choose nobility. Thank you. Okay, one of my biggest regrets is that I never recovered my sister's body. I've never searched for my true parents. I passed up an opportunity to perform in the circus. I don't understand why you would want to perform in the circus, noble. Let's go with you're an orphan. You have been abandoned. You've been abandoned as a child. Your parents do not love you.
You're alone? You are alone, wolf.
Howl to the moon, my son. Alright. Everyone was said I was blessed by blank when I was young. Among the humans, they worship deities called the Six Gods. Dwayna, Grenth, Balthazar, Melandru, Lysa, and Corner. Melandru, the gods of nature, earth, and growth. Can be found in every harvest and every flower. So she's a harvester. I would suggest she was like a Sylvari. What about Dwayna? Goddess of healing, Aaron Light. Well, since I am a guardian myself, and I do healing abilities, I will go with Dwayna. Now, here we go. Dwayna, the goddess of healing, blessed me when I was young. Though trouble may follow me, I overcome it with ferocity. I grew up among the nobility, and I value my honor. I've made something of myself, and the only thing I regret is that I've never searched for my true parents. I'm a guardian. I have the helm and the curiosity of a visionary. This is my story. Signed, Wolf of Time. Ooh yeah. Now, you get to watch a cutscene. Enjoy! Now let's put it on the screen.
The human race once ruled Tyria. Now, we struggle to hold our ground. We've been defeated, driven back, broken, but we will not surrender. So many nations have fallen. Only Kryta still stands. Our faith is strong despite the silence of the Six Gods. With courage, we'll make our stand in divinity's reach. The city is my home. I was born into luxury, a noble of divinity's reach. Privilege comes with responsibility. I protect the commoners under my care. They believe in me. I'm grateful for their trust, and I will not let them down. Today, I plan to venture beyond the gates of the city and see the world for myself. When I arrived in Shapework, I found the town under siege by centaurs. Innocent villagers are in danger. Someone has to help. I will show the people that we can triumph, that there is still hope. This is my story.
Let's go, my child. I am the Alpha Wolf. You will not defeat me. I will win.
As you can see, the controls of this game, it is a standard keyboard movement speed, WASD keys, forward, left, down, and right. What the? Now, why in the world would you want to call yourself a cripple? It doesn't make any sense. Let's talk to this guy.
Everybody get to the end. We can protect you at the end.
Okay. Move the right mouse. Right mouse controls your camera. Go away rather quickly. Oh no. Stinking centaurs. At first you may think you are OP in this game, but as you go along you will realize you are not OP. You have to work in order for you to become OP. Now let's talk to this guy.
Sergeant, there are more centaurs on the other side of town. Captain Thackeray's calling for reinforcements at the garrison. He's calling for help. It must be serious. But I can't spare anyone.
I'll go. Captain Thackeray's never failed Divinity's reach. If I can help him, I will.
Balthazar bless you. That's the spirit that'll win this war. Good luck.
Yes. Yes. Move in.
Now, I apologize if I didn't say this before. In order for you to interact with different characters, NPCs, and different actions, your use button is your F key. And you can see down here at the bottom of the screen you have your various skill slots. These 5 skill slots are your weapon skills. This one is your healing ability. You have 3 utility skills, and then you have 1 elite skill that you will unlock at level 31. Up here at the top, you see a green star, which means it is your main quest that you are in the middle of doing. The orange cross swords indicates an event that you are in. These are balls. See, event succeeded. I won the gold medal. Yes, I am gold. No, you must not get away. Oh yeah, by the way, dodge, you hit the V button. Oh, what is this? What is happening? Oh god, no! Alright, now you get to find your first boss. Oh man, I thought that skill would help. Oh, come on. Go away! Oh, you bloody... Oh. Here we go. Take out this hand. There we go. I just got one more hand to go. One more hand. One more hand, I got this. Cutscene. Defeated. It exploded in blood. Well, not blood, just a flash of light and rock. It still would have been cool if it did spurt out blood. Ooh, cutscene.
Where am I? What happened?
You were injured when the elemental exploded. Captain Thackeray brought you here personally. You've been unconscious for 3 days. You had lots of visitors. Villagers you rescued, some seraph, even a noble from the city. He came by several times.
That'd be Lord Farron. He's a good friend. I'll check in with him once I'm fully recovered. What should I do now?
Fresh air and exercise are the best medicine. The goddess Dwayna helped you. Perhaps you could help others?
Thanks, I will. And thanks for taking such good care of me.
Bless you. You'll find plenty to do out in the valley. May Dwayna protect you.
Yay! I completed the prologue and I get a new weapon. A stronger weapon, and I get to be raised a level. Nice. For each level that you gain, you will get various awards. You also get to see what upcoming level awards you can get. So, for every 10 levels that you gain, you will gain another chapter in your personal story for your character. So I will equip the mace. And what is this? Symbol of fate. Oh, okay. Cause of regeneration. Alright. Well, now we emerge out into the world, and holy crap, what do I do? Move the camera up. You get to move your camera forward or backwards using your mouse wheel. For me, I like to keep my camera. Why did I say candor? I can't talk today. Good lord. Anyway, I like to keep my camera in a decent position where I can see my character and see the environment around me, so that I get a good idea of where I'm going. Here you get to talk to a scout to reveal the map or where you need to go.
The fields beyond Shaymore are a crowded breadbasket. Since the Centaur attack, citizens are trying to rebuild their lives. But it's tough with bandits and dangerous wildlife roaming the area. Don't wait for an invitation. Jump in and help them. This is a waypoint. Waypoints appear on your compass, which is in the lower right corner of your screen. You can also see them on the world map, which you can access by pressing M. Press M again to close the world map. To teleport to a waypoint, open your world map and click on the waypoint to which you want to travel.
That is valuable information, ladies and gentlemen. You will be needing to use that if you play this game. But alas, our time is up for tonight. I will have to stop this video here and continue this later on. So I would like to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and you do not have to subscribe to me by any means. You do not have to subscribe, but if you do subscribe, I appreciate your love and support. I do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. So if you guys want more game playthroughs besides this game, or if you have any other suggestions or anything like that, please leave a comment in the comment section below, or you can check out my email in the description below. I will leave my email in there so you can link to it if it will link, and you can send me an email suggesting anything that you would like for me to play. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in time. Tally-ho!